I'm talking about the decision of a role switch, where I take over her storytelling role while she takes over my coffee making role. So, guys, the channel's team wants Celine to continue hosting every week her boring stories, and I have to continue making coffee. Anyway, hope nobody join us and takes Monday away from me. I'll be hosting a new episode every Monday, talking about a new unknown artist like Sonato. So stay tuned. The legend I'll be talking about next week is someone special, very special, and his story, her story, is very complicated and deserves to be told. Why next week and not today? Because, as I mentioned, her story is very complicated and it requires a lot of time to be prepared, unlike Celine's stories that just require a few minutes in Google. That's it. See you.